Good morning, my friends. We are on a mission today. I actually have one full day to drive around and conquer and see this island. I've done that before. And I got news for you. That day was exhausting and I didn't see it all. Okay, yeah, it's 5:47 in the morning. Sunrise is around 7 or so. We need to get going. Let me tell you about my place. They have espresso. Actually very good. It's like sweet turpentine, and I mean that as a compliment. Yeah, in other words, it's got some bite. Hello, do you have a chocolate croissant? I need that. Can it be warm? Yes. And a double espresso. Thank you. Very good. Yazoo. Good morning. Pay no attention to that water sound. I don't know how the wind is. But let me tell you what we got here. We're the very first espresso. And all right, so here's what's happening. I was gonna do coffee shout outs, but the wind is my enemy. So for everyone who bought me a double espresso and a coffee, I thank you very much. I just passed through the family beach, and then I just passed through the nude beach, and now I'm looking for the nobody beach. My friends. You want me to say it? Always good when it comes back. Let's hope on this trip I don't lose my drone. So that's why I always celebrate. It's good when it comes back. Look at this. This is what I look for. I love it. I mean, I had to go past a family beach. I had to walk past a nudist colony. And then I can find this type of serenity. I have sat here all day building things with stones. I'm leaving my mark on this beach with the things that I've built and the images that I'm taking with me. It's time to go. We have a new island tomorrow. All right, let's go. I pack up and leave for a new island tomorrow, and I want to enjoy the hotel. Listen, it might kill the toes, it might kill the ankles, but I love to come out here and find peace where I can be alone in my head and think. Very happy. It's 3:05 in the morning. You know, I get up early, especially on vacation. All right, this is a travel day. You know what that means? It means that I've been very comfortable in my hotel room here, but I have to pack up. And there's fragments of me all over the place. So I'm gonna take some time to get everything together. Moving to a new island. We have a ferry at 10 in the morning. The Jeep has to be returned by 9. I wanna eat in the port. I want to be there by 7:38 in the morning. Okay, so let's pack up. You know, I would like to intentionally make myself sad about leaving. Here's what I mean. I have so much more trip in front of me. There's so many more islands. There's so much more to do. Let's not run away from here without giving it the appreciation that it deserves.